Hi, I'm Farley again, talking about wine. And as often the case when you're drinking wine, we get some spills, and then you're left with a red wine stain. And you want to know what to do with that. There are a few options. There are commercial products in the market, such as OxyClean, that work very well. There are even some that are geared specifically towards wine stains. Wine Away is one that I use and highly recommend. But if you don't have access to those products, there are a few other options as to how to remove a stain. The first being white wine. So you would take just a little bit of white wine, pour it onto the stain, especially when the stain is fresh. This tends to work really well. And just kind of rub it in and it'll come out. Another thing that you can do is to use just your basic table salt. Take a little bit, put it on the stain, work it in. You're going to have to use quite a bit of salt actually to get this out. And it'll eventually start to come out as it's doing now. But the other thing that I like to use that I find very effective is a combination of Dawn or any other liquid detergent. Pour it into a little container. And with that, you're going to mix hydrogen peroxide. Just mix it up, about equal parts, maybe a little more hydrogen peroxide. And then you're just going to start to work it into the stain. The stain is rather large, but obviously this isn't going to take it out all the way, but once you put it into the wash, it's going to make it that much easier to get out. You can see this one section where I've done it, it's really starting to fade. Anyway, if you spill the wine, these are just a few options for getting the stain out.